Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this XtremeSkin install for my Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Huge shout out to XtremeSkins for giving me the opportunity to do the install and share all the information with all of you. Now, the information that you need to purchase, not just these skins, but other skins over the Not just these skins, but other skins over at the XtremeSkins website will be down below in the description area. As you can see, there's a lot of different styles to choose from, whether it's simple art, whether it's doodle art, abstract, graffiti. Look at this one over here. You have different choices on different type of wood, whether that's aged oak, modern oak, silverback wood. I'm telling you, man, there is so much more to look at over at the official website. And not only will you be able to give your smartphone a little extra something, you'll be able to give your laptop, your game console, and even your headphones. Folks, go do some shopping. Again, the link down below in the description area. Now, I'm going to choose the graffiti skin right here. That right there just hits home with me. Back in the day when I was a b-boy, well, you know, once a b-boy, always a b-boy. Graffiti was a huge part of my life. I still draw graffiti. I just don't do it on walls. I do it within my art books. But yeah, no, this right here, that's a win-win, as well as these. But it's going to be this one today. Let me give you a closer look at all of these here. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Aren't those nice? Man. Gonna put that over to the side.
Those skins came in this packet here, XtremeSkins. XtremeSkins Precision Style Protection. You got the website right there. You do get alcohol prep wipe and a microcloth. Thank you for your order. You're awesome. How to apply our skins. QR code there. Apply it, snap it, share it. Problem with your order? Please contact the team via email. info@xtremeskins.co.uk. Quoting your order number, save on your next order, 20% off your next order, use code FLYER20. And on the back, we got some more information, different ways that you can connect with XtremeSkins on social media. And with that, let's do this.
Now, I'm going to tell you, that right there looks fabulous. Huge thumbs up. Talk about a little extra sum for your S25 Edge. Yeah, that is bold. Wow. Huge shout out, XtremeSkins.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
I brought in a case, a clear case that I purchased over at Amazon. I think it was around $10. I could be wrong. I'll leave that information down below in the description area. Anyway, you're not going to pay a whole heck of a lot for this case. The information on the box says Maladin phone case. On the back it says simplify, protect, elevate, shockproof, scratch-proof, secure grip, sleek feel. S25 Edge. Super grippy. You got that plastic see-through back, TPU all the way around. Plenty of lip for the cameras, all cut out, should be precise. You have the magnetic ring there, so that's a win for not paying a whole heck of a lot for this case. Now, there are reasons why I use a case right away. First of all, it's to protect my investment. Second of all, it's so you can see the skin that you've recently applied to, in my case, my S25 Edge. And 3, the inside back of the case is going to press up against the skin itself, helping the sticking process, helping it adhere to the back of my S25 Edge. Now, typically I would use a blow dryer. I decided not to go that route because this isn't a very complicated skin install. You got the little piece that goes around the camera island there, and then you have the skin piece that goes on the entire back of my S25 Edge, but it's flat. It's a simple install. There's not much to it. I could use a blow dryer. You can choose to use a blow dryer. It's up to you, but I will say that if you do, make sure you keep a good distance, and make sure when you're using the heat from the blow dryer that you are constantly moving that heat around, never letting sit in one spot, because you could damage the skin, but more importantly, your smartphone. So you constantly want to be doing this, and then you just kind of want to apply a little bit of pressure to allow the skin to adhere to the back of your smartphone. I will use a blow dryer when I do have. Now there are times that these skins come with the sides, top and bottom, and it's that type of skin install that you really want to use a blow dryer, because when you're putting on a case and taking off a case, the strips that go up top, bottom, and sides could come off. So you really want to make sure they stick really well to your smartphone. But in this situation, again, it's a very simple install. So I'll put the case on. Simple. So now the pressure of the case is pushing on the skin, and that's going to help, again, that sticking process. And that looks really, really bold. That is tough. Wow. You can see the lip action around the cameras there. Power button, volume rocker, nicely covered up and protected. At the top, you got a cutout for the 2 top mics. At the bottom, huge cutout for the USB Type-C charging port and the bottom mic, and you got your speaker cut out there. Plenty of lip all the way around. Bam. Don't want to let that sit like that. Make sure the case is all the way on. Yeah, that looks really, really nice. All right, let's make sure the power button works the way it should. Yes, nice and responsive. And volume rocker. Yeah, that is awesome. Again, plenty of lip surrounding the flat display. I do have a tempered glass screen protector as well. So when setting down on a flat surface, a little bit rough, you're good to go. Anything rougher than that, please use your discretion. On the back, plenty of protection for those cameras. You can use some camera glass lens protectors if you're going to be really rugged. But if you're just setting down on a flat surface a little bit rough, you're good to go. Something to think about. Just use your discretion. All right. You let me know what you think of the graffiti skin on my S25 Edge. But that right there, folks, that is dope. That right there is just it. Thumbs up. XtremeSkins. Always killing it. Doing a little extra some. Before I forget, I want to make sure that the magnet for MagSafe works the way it's supposed to. We're going to test out the magnetic strength. That's great to see there. All right. As far as the charging, bam. Any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. Again, all the information to purchase the skin that I used in today's install, the other skins, and beyond that, all that information down below in the description area. I'm going to show you one more time. Look at that. Look at the doodles. For those of you that love kitties, I love kitties. We got 2 dogs and 2 cats. Abstract textures. Got some wood there. It's like a countertop in your kitchen, slate, or your bathroom. But that's pretty nice right there. Okay, with that being said, God bless you all. Peace. I'm out.